Red Aspen's signature love technique will be your go-to routine when you're getting creative with our luxury artistry palette. In today's tutorial, we will be using our Fulfilled luxury artistry palette, made for the everyday woman. The love technique is complete with 4 simple steps that spell out love. L is for level your base. O is for ombre and crease. V stands for V in your outer V. And E stands for enhance your lid. You can stop the love technique at any point for a more simplified eye look. Follow along with me today to see how to complete your eyeshadow from start to finish. Now let's walk through the 4 areas you'll be applying love. Your base is your entire eye area from your lash line to below your brow. Your crease is where your eyelid naturally folds or where your eye socket is. The outer V of your eye is the outer third corner of your eyelid. And your lid is the center space of your eye between your lash line and crease. The first step in love is L, which stands for level your base. Reach for a fluffy eyeshadow blending brush and dip into a matte eyeshadow close to your skin tone. For additional pigment, apply using a flat eyeshadow brush. For my skin tone, my favorite shade to use is Calm. Sweep eyeshadow all over your lid and up into crease and brow bone. Leveling your base will prep your lid for blending your eyeshadow for the rest of your look. Continue using the same fluffy eyeshadow brush that you used in step L. If you struggle with blending, keep an additional fluffy brush to help you soften the edges of your ombre. Dip into a matte eyeshadow and blend into crease using windshield wiper motions to create an ombre effect between brow bone and lid space. This step will give your eyeshadow a blended finish when your look is complete. The third step in love is V, which stands for V in your outer V. This step is perfect for adding definition to your eye look. For a more defined look, reach for a bullet brush like this and stamp the eyeshadow into the outer V of your eye. To achieve a softer look, reach for a tapered blending brush like this. Use small circular blending motions, concentrating the eyeshadow in the outer V of the eye. The final step in love is E, which stands for enhance your lid. You can complete your look with a matte, metallic, shimmer, or glitter eyeshadow. Today, I will be using the shade Grace. For the final step, you can apply the eyeshadow with your fingertips or a flat brush. Whether you're using a brush or a finger, be sure to press the eyeshadow onto the lid. For the ultimate eyeshadow look, be sure to add your favorite Red Aspen eyeliner and lashes.